Trading can be a messy experience sometimes, jumping around from chart to chart, going back and forth between MetaTrader and back to TradingView into your charting, whatever charting website you use. And not only that, trying to work with these bare bones indicators. All these inefficiencies can make trading even more difficult and can actually hinder your profitability and your trading experience. For those scalpers out there, I'm sure you've experienced this exact thing. You're searching through your trading pairs, and then you find the perfect trading scalp that you want to take. Pick up your phone, open up the MetaTrader app, start fumbling through all the pairs until you find the one. Then you finally enter the trade. You look down and notice that you've entered 5 pips later than where you originally wanted to enter. It means you could have missed out on $5, $50, $500, that could be $5,000 on a large enough account. And over time, these things add up. Over years of tradings, that could be thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars that you've missed out on because of an inefficiency in your trading. So what's the solution here? What if we found a way to efficiently trade, creating a smooth, seamless trading experience where if we wanted to enter a trade on a dime, we could enter exactly where we wanted to, exactly when we saw the trade that we wanted to take. Well, to get this, we would need a trading platform that can combine everything we need as a trader to excel, not just excel, but be efficient and fast. And I have exactly that. So if you're interested in something like this, let's dive into the video and get into the flawless trading platform. So welcome to Act Trader. This is the single-handedly best all-in-one trading platform that you can find, and especially one that's an in-house platform for one of the greatest brokers that I am with. This trading platform single-handedly brought my trading experience to the next level. I was able to bring my efficiencies up to a whole nother level, providing me more profit and more faster execution on trades that I normally would have missed out, a couple pips, 2, 3, 4, 5 pips because of the inefficiency. So what is it that makes this platform so special? Why are we here today talking about it? Well, let's dive into that. So that brings us to this question. How can we utilize this platform? What does this platform have to offer? And why not just continue using MetaTrader or continue using the other platforms that you use to trade? So let's dive into a couple of the problems with other trading systems. So one of the first problems that Act Trader answers is indicators. Now, indicators, most of us use at least some sort of indicator to help with our trading plan or our trading strategy, whatever it may be. A lot of us use indicators. Some people's entire strategies are built off of indicators. For most, indicators are extra confirmations in your trading. So Act Trader, utilizing TradingView's charting system, has actually answered a lot of our problems that we need to be answered. One of the first problems being indicators. Using indicators on platforms like MetaTrader are honestly pretty rough. They're very limited, only offering about 20 to 30 indicators that come with the platform. And they're missing out on some major important indicators. For example, like volume profile. I use volume profiles in my strategy and my confirmations. It's something I use before I even start looking at a trade. Sometimes I'll use a volume profile. Now, compared to TradingView's choice of indicators, you have, anywhere from 40 to 100 indicators that just come with it standard. Not only that, there are many indicators you can add to the platform. There's also many different varieties of indicators that you can use. But not only this, but the customization of indicators on platforms such as MetaTrader are very limited compared to TradingViews. There's so much customization for each individual indicator that you use. There's a lot of customization, and it can help shape your strategy into something more profitable. Another main factor of the charting experience is having a flawless experience. Now, I don't know if this is just because I'm used to using TradingView, but the TradingView charting experience just feels very flawless and smooth compared to, I'm sure many of you have experienced the pain of using MetaTrader's charting tools and just fumbling around in that. Sometimes it's just not a very good experience. And especially when you're in the heat of the moment trying to catch a quick trade, it can be very frustrating trying to line up all your charting tools and, marking out your technical analysis the way you want to. Now, we've talked a lot about charting already, but that's only half of the issue. The other issue is the actual market execution itself. What is the flow like from charting to actually taking your trade? If you don't have a smooth, efficient, flawless experience from when you find your trade all the way up until you're executing your trade and getting in the trade that you want, if it's not efficient and smooth, going to hinder your trading profits, your trading experience, and it will even affect your trading psychology over time. And this is one of the main problems with not having an efficient trading platform. So let's dive into the platform and let's show you exactly how it's done. So first things first, when you actually open up the Act Trader, this is only the web platform. So this is another thing. You don't even have to install anything. This is just something you have open on a web. You can open it on your phone. You can open it on Mac, Android, Windows, whatever your choice of technology is, it's available. So let's say, today's Friday. I did some trading this morning on another Hanko Trade account that I have, but we're over here on a smaller account that we have. So let's dive in on what a typical session would look like. First of all, let's cover some of the main benefits of using an efficient platform like this. Well, one of the first things we can look at is OneClick Trading. Now, this is very efficient for scalpers or even people who like to use static stop losses and take profits. And if you're in and out of trades really super quick and you want to be fast and enter trades exactly in those moments, this is a very good advantage of using Act Trader. We have OneClick Trading here. So for each of the pairs, we have exactly how many lots we want to use, where we want to set our stop loss, our take profit, and we have a buy and a sell option. So for example, if I wanted to enter, we're on Euro odd right now. So if I wanted to enter on Euro odd right in this moment, I saw maybe something I wanted to take as a quick scalper, let's say I saw that price was going to continue going high here, and in this exact moment I wanted to enter. All I would have to do is enter exactly what my lot size that I wanted to take. So let's say I wanted to do $1 per pip here. All I have to do is click buy, and just like that, within literally milliseconds, we are in the trade. And as you can see down here, our profit loss is already open. We actually haven't done any technical analysis on this. This is just for example. So we took a little bit of a smaller size here, but just to show how fast this works, we are in the trade within seconds, not even seconds, milliseconds. We're gonna see here if we can actually gain some profit. Let's just do a little mental stop loss and take profit. We're gonna do a $5 stop loss and a $5 take profit. So we're gonna let this play out as we talk here. We're just gonna kind of keep a mental note just so we can show you how it works when we want to enter or exit the trade, how efficient that is. Anyways, so that's one way of doing it. All you have to do is come up here and click the 4 little square button up here to activate OneClick Trading mode. And then here we have all our pairs. You can obviously come right here to look up the different pairs, but what I find more fast and efficient is just clicking on all the different pairs, just clicking through them like this. Just do a little double click. Actually, I think it's a single click, yes. If you want to trade US30, we got US30 here ready to go, Euro JPY, whatever we need to be trading. But let's go back to Euro odd. That's what we're looking at right now. And as you can see, we entered our buy back here. We actually have our 0.1 lot showing right here. So we can get a nice little visual of where we entered, and we know, okay, if we want $5, it's going to be 5 pips. So we need to see price pretty much come up to this line right here. So another great advantage of having everything all together and efficient is if, for example, place that there. For example, if we wanted to go ahead and set our take profit after, all we have to do is hit this little pen button down here, and this will give us our customization. So I come here to take profit 63198. Okay. And just like that, we now have a take profit up here. I think all we need to do is wait for this to get refreshed. We can actually go ahead and refresh it like this. I think there we go. We have our take profit here. Boom, boom. And just like that, we have a 5 pip take profit. And then, we can go ahead and set a stop loss if we like. So why not? Let's just go ahead and do that as well. 63085 like that. Okay, nice. We can refresh that as well. Back to there and go back to that one. Boom. So just like that, now we have our buy, we have our take profit and our stop loss, and we can let that go ahead and play out. So now let's say we're in our trade, but we're like, oh no, we're not sure, there might be some news coming out. Instead of having to go ahead and flip through a bunch of different websites trying to find economic news, all you do is come over here to the side. We have news here for Forex, indices, commodities, and crypto. And then even better, we actually have an economic calendar. So we can see right here for GBP at 2 a.m. we have news, 2 a.m. for news, 2 a.m., 2 a.m. At 4 a.m. we have news for this. And this is all related to Friday, May 10th. So right now it's currently 2 p.m. So we actually can see that the USD pairs at 2 p.m. are going to get affected. So this would not actually affect anything that we're trading right now. It might affect it just a tiny bit, but other than that, it's not really going to affect us because we're not trading USD pairs. So then that will give us more confidence to be like, okay, we're good. It's flawless. We can stay in our trade and we don't have to go scrambling around to other websites trying to figure out if we're good or not. It's all efficient. It's in one place. Nice and easy. So yeah, we can just go ahead and let that play out. Now let's show you if we wanted to, very easy to enter without doing the one-click trading as well. Let's say now we want to add another buy. Well, we can come right here. We can either do market, buy stop, or buy limit. Let's say we wanted to do a market execution. Let's do another $1 per pip. And here we can actually go ahead, click advanced options, and we could set the exact same take profit if we wanted to in the exact same stop loss. Very easily, we could do market execution, stop loss. Let's say we want to set it there again, 1.63085, was it? Yeah, 0.63085. And then our take profit, we wanted to be the same thing. So 1.63198. Just like that, that's another trade entered very easily, very efficient. We just went from charting all of a sudden to there. You know, if we want to add an indicator, we can add, you know, accumulation, distribution. We have that up. We can take it away just as easily. Let's say we want to add some Bollinger Bands. We got Bollinger Bands in. Go ahead and take that away. Charting is very simple, flawless. We can add a nice little arrow there for a trend line. So this is the great advantage of having a trading platform that has everything you need all in one. It's very flawless. Just as you guys can see, I wanted to enter that trade right there. I was able to enter it without having to go ahead and open up my phone and fumble through all these different little things. It's very efficient. It will bring your trading to the next level. This is Hanko Trade's Act Trader platform. If you want to sign up with Hanko Trade, I'll have a link in the description. I'm going to have links to the platform and to Hanko Trade itself. If you want to sign up with a new broker, they're fast, efficient. As you can see, their market execution very quick and their commissions are relatively low. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.